Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general reading, guys. So if you are interested, if you have some doubts, or if you want some answers for some circumstances in your life, you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have 3 of cups in reverse, 10 of pentacles, and world in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Cancers, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So, maybe on certain things you are happy and content. Things are going smoothly in your life, guys. Maybe in your work, whatever you expected is happening. So, the beginning and the completion of projects, or in your life, in your personal life, whatever you expected for yourself, happiness, success, prosperity, and great compatibility, mutual love and respect, that is what you are enjoying today, and you are happy for the way things are today, and you feel contentment and you feel at home, secure, safe in your situation today, guys. And in your work or in your relationship, this happiness or contentment, it itself is making you feel really positive today, guys. And maybe for some of you, in some choices, guys, maybe in your work, you are faced with some choices you need to make. So you may have some doubts whether to go for this choice or whether this will affect your present prosperity or this happy situation you are enjoying today. So maybe some kind of a minor worry or apprehension may be there regarding the choices you need to make today, guys. So you feel stuck, you feel in some way held back because you want this success to continue and you don't want to lose that by making this choice. So you are waiting for clarity regarding some decisions today, guys. And maybe for some of you, if you are in separation from this person you love, maybe you are they are coming to say sorry, or they are coming to console you, and they want to they have realized their mistakes and they want to be back with you. So that may be the important decision you are making. You don't want to change your happy and contentment you are feeling today for this person because they are coming back. Maybe you are worried that all those problems or that emotional stress will start again. So you don't know whether to accept their apology or not, guys, Cancers. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So that may be the decision you are making today, guys, Cancers. So whether to go for this person, whether to accept them again and reconcile with this person. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So, after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys. So, now let's start the reading. So, for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict, and you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment, and maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease, you don't know what to do, you feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So this self sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness, and maybe in the long run you may yearn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talent, skills, and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So when we do that, when we have that self-determination, finding that purpose, we encourage the other person also to do the same. So we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident and courageous. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.